friends! Today we're going to be talking about my first ever Bronx Science report card and some studying tips that I think are really helpful. So I'm going to start off by going through all of my grades for all of my classes. So starting off with English, I got a 100 for that class. For Spanish, I got a 99. For Global, I got a 93, and I will explain why later. Then for Geometry, I have 100. For Physical Education, I have a 92. And for Biology, I have 100. And for Science Research, I have 99. Global, we had our first unit test, like our Unit 1 test, and I got a 90 on that test, so it brought down my grade by like 6-7 points. I'm going to talk about a few of the studying tips that I really love. The first #1 tip has to be practice tests. I cannot stress this enough, you guys. I love practice tests. Like, it's the closest simulation you're gonna get to your actual test. So my second tip would definitely be to take a lot of notes. Obviously, you're gonna have like the teacher notes, but I think a great way to make sure you know what you're doing is by paraphrasing some notes as well, or like being able to draw conclusions from things that you've written down. So for #3, I use this website called Know It or Not. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. It's an amazing website because it allows you to take notes, generate practice tests, flashcards, and it's completely free, which I think is an amazing resource, and I genuinely love it so much, and I use it all the time, and it's helped me maintain like my grades. So I think the final most important tip is the one that people actually overlook the most, and that's just like getting good sleep. Sleeping helps with memorization, and it's just good for your body and your mental health, like, or that should be your main takeaway. And that's it, guys. So let me know if you have any questions, any comments, or anything you'd like me to address. And yeah, bye.